Hello and welcome to Merrist Wood College. My name's Ruth Harris, Land-Based Director here at Merrist Wood. Today I'm going to introduce you to our lovely new building, Norman Shaw. We've been very lucky to have £22 million investment over the last 2 years, and heading into the next academic year we want to give you a tour, so come with me. As you enter the Norman Shaw building, this is the foyer area. This is a hangout area for students where you can grab a coffee or a snack from the recharge facility here in the south. So we're still putting some of the finishing touches onto this building. This is one of our specialist arboriculture teaching rooms. One of the unique features is this double height space that we have behind you. We plan to put in here a climbing type structure to allow students to take practical skills and bring them inside for the development on their programmes. So come with me to our Equine Science Lab now. This is a new space specifically for our equine students, really enhance their course for the science elements that they do on the programme. Situated with double doors to allow large objects to come in here if needed. We're now in our landscape workshop. This room serves our adults, apprentices and full-time students. It's a space where they develop their practical construction skills whilst on their course. Welcome to machinery. This is no ordinary classroom. You can drive a tractor into this teaching space. No tour would be complete without showing you a classroom. Here's one of the many classrooms that we have here in the Norman Shaw building. So that was Norman Shaw. Thanks for joining me, and I cannot wait to see all our learners in these teaching spaces next year.